Based on Amazon statistics, A+ content helps increase overall product sales by 3 to 10%. There are basically two types of A+, depending on the variation of module implementation: A+ and Premium A+ or A++. A+ content is more than just a chunk of a text on a page. It has the right mix of keyword-optimized phrases and strategic calls to action that will turn readers into customers. Great A+ content that can help boost your company's SEO rankings. Suppose if A+ content is the equivalent of an A grade at school, A++ content or Premium A+ content is the equivalent of an A+ grade at school. This is high quality content that goes above and beyond for its viewers or customers. Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video. This is Lucky from Ecomclips. Now I am going to show you the differences between A+ and A++ content elaborately. In basic A+ content, there are 12 modules to use. But in one page, vendors can use only 5 modules and the sellers can use 7 modules. Basic A+ is free for all sellers. The maximum content width is 970 pixels. You can also use the same module or you can mix it up for each listing. Now, I will show you an A+ content from Amazon product list. Let's see. This is the A+ content of this product. By seeing this content, customers will know about the product information properly. This module is the maximum module of A+ content. You can add your product main information to grab attention of customers. In this module, you can use 3 images with details which is so informative and beneficial for customers. And this is the comparison chart from where you can know about the others product of same sellers. Now let's take a turn into A++ content or Premium A+ content. A++ content or Premium A+ content is an exclusive tool that goes a level beyond basic A+ content, giving brands the ability to showcase their products' most important features and benefits with a modern, visually appealing structure. It gives you additional 16 modules that will help you get that view and engagement that your listing needs. So, what makes Premium A+ content unique? Let's take a look. Firstly, it contains integrated videos of high quality of 720 pixels, and the video could be 3 minutes long in length. Secondly, you can add attractive product images and visuals, and you can include 7 modules of high definition images. Thirdly, you can add multiple high resolution images in one module. You can add company startup information by using this startup module. Customer can know about the owner of product and build a trustable relationship with customers. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel Ecomclips and click the notification button to get notified for the next video. Thank you.